My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the online scary alerts that come from the site Alltimesecuritysystem.live. This is a fake alert attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This fake alert tries to make people scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Alltimesecuritysystem.live, don't interact with them. Don't install anything that they ever suggest. If you click on allow, your browser may be also hijacked with even more advertisements. So you need to fix the issue immediately, and first thing you can do is to disregard these pop-ups and not tolerate them. Also, if you have clicked on allow, you should fix your browser to stop these ads from further attacking your screen. Now go to the menu, go to settings, privacy and security, site settings, in permissions, choose notifications, and remove this malicious site from the list to stop its future ads. Finally, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.